Last year, my parents applied for a China visa. The photo requirements are unforgiving. Exact dimensions, exact background, exact head position, exact expression. I paid an online service $20 to process their photos. This year, I had to apply for one myself. I tried something different. Screenshot of the requirements page, photo from my phone, both into ChatGPT. One try, accepted. Here's the technique. When something has strict requirements or complicated formatting, don't transcribe it for the AI. Screenshot it and let AI read. I've been using this at work for months without realizing I could apply it almost anywhere else. The visa thing changed that. I'm George, 30 years programming, currently a Salesforce developer. This is my AI intern. Let me show you how this actually works. The requirements page works. China visa photos have a long list of specs, pixel dimensions, head-to-frame ratio, background color, expression rules, no glasses, no shadows, unforgiving. My phone photo next, taken against a white wall, neutral expression, looking forward, not a professional photo, just a phone photo with reasonable lighting. Into ChatGPT, both images pasted. Prompt. Please process my photo according to the requirements in screenshot. ChatGPT cropped to the right dimensions, adjusted the background, confirmed the head position, returned a photo I could download. Uploaded to the visa application portal. First attempt. Accepted. Last year, $20. This year, 2 minutes. No money. The technique wasn't AI being magic. It was giving AI the picture instead of trying to describe the picture. What the visa thing made me realize is that I've been doing this constantly at work, in one specific context. If you saw my first video, you saw me do this with a failing test. That was just the start of it. An error in the Salesforce debug log. Screenshot it. A weird API response I can't reconcile with the documentation. Screenshot both. Ask Claude what's different. A complex work table I needed as HTML for a Salesforce CPQ code template. Merged cells and all. Screenshot the table. Get HTML back. Then screenshot the rendered result and feed it back. 3 or 4 runs. The markup matched. That last one was different. The screenshot trick isn't just for one-shot prompts. It works as an iterative feedback too. Each screenshot is a turn in the conversation. Same move, same technique. It just hadn't thought to apply it outside the code base. Once I noticed, I started showing teammates. A while back, my manager wanted to give me feedback on a UI screen I designed. The screen showed a warning message in red, and he didn't like my wording. Instead of typing the message to me, he took a screenshot of the screen, pasted it into Claude, and asked Claude to rewrite the message in red. The rewrite was good. I used it. 2 things stuck with me. First, the technique spreads naturally once people see it work. I didn't have to teach anyone. Second, what my manager did wasn't asking Claude to analyze the screenshot. He was asking Claude to rewrite text inside the screenshot. Different capability, same input format. When this works and when it doesn't. Works when content is visual or hard to describe in words. Arrow stack traces, configuration screens, documentation pages, forms with strict layout, charts, receipts, anything where the screenshot communicates faster and more accurately than your typing would. Doesn't work when AI needs context. The screenshot doesn't show. If your question depends on something just outside of the visible area, AI cannot see it. One practical reminder, anything visible in the screenshot is going to the AI. Open tabs, notification bubbles, personal information, file names, crop tightly, or close other things before you screenshot. If you haven't tried this technique before, pick something complicated this week: a form, a chart, an error you don't understand, a label you can't read. Screenshot it. Ask AI a question. See what happens. If you try it, drop a comment and tell me what you screenshotted. I want to hear what other people are using this for. I'm George. This is my intern. Subscribe, and I'll keep sharing what I'm learning. See you in the next one.